Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm going to plant these colorful foliage plants named Coleus. Plant them in a rich, well-draining soil. This is potting mix and added a handful of vermiculite. Plant them when all dangers of frost has passed. Says here, plant in sun to shade. For part shade, I actually put these seedlings under the tree. When it says part sun to part shade, the plant should be getting around 3 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. That is the morning sun and the early afternoon sunlight. I'm going to plant this half an inch deeper than what they have here. So this is the soil level now. So my new soil level will be up to here. Alfalfa pellets inside the hole. Coleus belongs to the mint family. Like other members of the mint family, it has opposite leaves. See, this one is opposite to this, and square leaves. Prune or pinch the seedlings when it's 6 inches in height. See the new growth between the stem and the leaf. That one. This one also. This one also. You see that? So I can trim this one above the new growth. Can trim it here. New growth, new growth. So I'm gonna pinch it above there. New growth, new growth. Pinch here. New growth, new growth. Purpose of pinching is to prevent the plants to become leggy and to encourage new shoots and branching, and the plants will become bushier. They may wilt following transplanting or too much direct sun. Keep the soil moist, not soggy. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. May you have a wonderful time with your family and friends.